Good afternoon from Porth, Dafarch in Ynys Mon in Wales. Today I'm going to be looking for Craig y Bwcan, which translates to Rock of the Ghost, or the Bogeyman Rock. This is my first video of 2026, so if you're watching this video on the day that I put it out, Happy New Year to you. There's some amazing rock formations here. I wouldn't like to be standing there. In the mid-1700s up to around the 1830s, Porth Dafarch was an alternative port to the port of Caergybi nearby, before the construction of a breakwater in Caergybi. The port was exposed to northerly winds, and in bad weather, ferries from Dublin would dock here in Porth Dafarch. I'm telling you this because there's a connection between this place and the Ghost Rock. Just down here, I believe there's an old customs building dating from 1819. It's been fenced off now because it's not safe. I'm now on Porth Dafarch Road, which leads to the town of Caergybi, and the Ghost Rock is on the side of the road here. The rock has been an enigma for hundreds of years. It was clearly placed there, but nobody knows by who, when or why. Because of its appearance and the fact that nobody knew why it had been placed there, over the centuries it gained a sinister reputation. There's a lot of folklore relating to the rock. One of them being that there was a crack in the ground where a witch lived, and the rock was placed there to trap the witch. This road would have been used by ferry passengers who had docked in Porth Dafarch, and there was an active highwayman or a highway robber operating along this road. And it's said that he used to hide behind the rock sometimes when he was about to rob somebody. But it's said that one day he met his match when he tried to rob a soldier, and he ended up being nearly decapitated by the soldier. And since then they say that his ghost still haunts the rock, waiting for the soldier to pass so he could have his revenge. The ghost of the highwayman can be seen, but only in the month of August, and only during the witching hour. You can see the rock now on the left. It's a lot taller than I imagined. It's said if you're here in August and you walk round the rock anti-clockwise 3 times, the ghost of the highwayman will appear on horseback with his head hanging off. Another tale is that if you walk round the rock any time of the year 12 times with your eyes closed, you'll end up inside the rock. Guessing it must be about 15 feet high, maybe. They know it's not prehistoric because of its shape. It's obviously been quarried and there's lack of weathering on it. So it's been there hundreds of years, not thousands of years. Must have been scary travelling down here in the 1700s with these cliffs on either side of the road, just waiting for a highwayman to jump out. Okay, first video of 2026 in the can.